sixth-generation fighters, a conceptualized class of jet fighter aircraft design more advanced than the fifth-generation jet fighters that are currently in service and development. Several countries have announced the development of a sixth-generation aircraft program, including the United States, China, United Kingdom, Russia, India. Russia Mulls upgrading Su-57 to sixth-generation fighter. Russia's first indigenously designed and built fifth-generation stealth fighter, the Su-57, could be turned into a sixth-generation fighter aircraft. This is actually a splendid plane, and it can embrace both fifth and sixth-generation features. It has huge modernization potential. Russian defense officials have repeatedly claimed that hardware elements designed for a future sixth-generation fighter have been tested on the Su-57 prototype, including flight and navigation systems as well as advanced electronic warfare and radar systems. The new aircraft is slated to be available in manned and unmanned configuration, and could take to the air for the first time in the late 2020s, according to Russian defense officials. China's Air Force's sixth-generation fighter. China is working on the development of a new fighter jet with sixth-generation capabilities such as commanding drones, stealth capability, and AI. The future aircraft is also likely to feature hypersonic weapons, laser, and swarm warfare capabilities. The aircraft will provide improved capabilities compared with the country's J-20 and J-31 aircraft. It is expected to be ready for operations by 2035. A 6,620-t wind tunnel, built to support the new fighter aircraft program, became operational in May 2020 by performing a flow field test for an undisclosed new aircraft. Air Force's sixth-generation fighter. The U.S. Navy launched its sixth-generation FAXX program in 2008, and the USAF sought initial responses for a next-generation tactical aircraft, Next-Gen TAC Air, which would become the FX program. The United States Air Force and United States Navy are anticipated to field their first sixth-generation fighters in 2025 to 2030. The USAF is pursuing development and acquisition of a sixth-generation fighter through the Penetrating Counter-Air program to replace its existing air superiority fighters such as the McDonnell Douglas F-15 platforms in service, such as the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The USN is pursuing a similar program called the Next Generation Air Dominance, likewise intended to complement the smaller Lockheed F-35 and replace its existing aircraft such as the Boeing F/A-18EF Super Hornet.